How to send Google Form link to WhatsApp in mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a Google Form link on WhatsApp. It's quick and simple, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, make sure that you have created your forms on Google Forms. And here, once your questions are ready, look towards to the top right corner of the screen and there you'll see the send button. So simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear sharing different options. From there, simply tap on publish. And now here, once you have published the Google form, what we want is the link option. So simply tap on the chain link icon at the top of the screen, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. In there you will see a full URL to your form. So if you want to shorten it, just check the box that says shorten URL and then copy the link. And here, once you have copied the link, simply close the Chrome and open the WhatsApp app. And here, once you're inside the WhatsApp, simply go to the chat of a person or group you want to send the full form to. And here, once you are inside the chat, simply paste the link and send it to the person. And that's it. That's how you can send Google Form link to WhatsApp in mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.